Welcome to my channel. My name is May, and I'm glad to see you here today to join me and to hear of this great opportunity that's a non-phone job. So sit back and relax, and I will go over this information for you. If you are looking for online transcription employment or to become an independent contractor, then you're in the right place. DITTO Transcripts provide industry-leading online transcription services to their customers in a variety of different fields all across the United States. They are always looking for skilled, committed, experienced, and professional transcriptionists to add to their growing online transcription team. They offer transcription jobs or employment and independent contractor positions for those who focus on excellence in their work, attention to detail, and those who maintain high quality service. DITTO has a few different compensation options for their transcriptionists. Their online medical transcriptions are almost all paid by the line, while their other transcriptionists, which is legal, law enforcement, academic, and financial, are almost all paid by the minute. The following pay rates are ranges and will depend on experience, turnaround time, shift, and difficulty of audio. Legal and law enforcement pays 80 cents to $1.10 per minute. Academic, financial, general business pays 80 cents to $1.10 per minute. Medical pays 7 cents to 10 cents per line. There are some situations where you could be paid significantly higher because of the turnaround time and complexity of research involved to produce a 99% accurate transcript. They've paid as high as $5 per minute for court hearings needed overnight. You will be paid fairly and above almost all of their competitors because they want the best people possible to work with them and their clients. So they pay online independent contractors and employees on the 1st and the 15th of every month by way of direct deposit or PayPal. DITTO is not able to hire or onboard anyone who resides in California, New Jersey, or Massachusetts at this time. Also, they are not able to hire or onboard any non-United States-based personnel at this time. To apply for a transcription with DITTO, scroll down to the bottom, the form, and you will enter your first name, last name, email address, your telephone number including area code, your street address, city, state or region, postal code, country code, and are you a U.S. citizen? Do you live in the United States? Would you consent to a criminal background check? And they have other questions. Would you be willing to do a phone interview? And the field applying for, is it medical, legal, law enforcement, business, or general, or all? And what specialties do you have experience? You put it in here. The next field is desired compensation. Transcription experience, is it no experience, less than 1 year, or is it anywhere between 1 to 10 years plus? And they're asking you for weekly availability. Is it less than 10 hours per week? and you can choose between 10 to 40 hours a week or less than 10. What days are you available? Monday through Sunday, you will pick a day or the days that you're available. What hours are you available to work? And you put that in this field. Also, what type of internet connection do you have? Is it cable, DSL, dial-up, or other? Do you own transcription hardware? Yes or no? Do you own transcription software? Yes or no? How fast do you type? Words per minute. That's here. And how many lines, medical and or minutes of audio of the other fields per day can you type for DITTO transcripts? So you put a number of hours here you would be able to type for them per day. Do you own Microsoft Office Suite, Word and Excel? Yes or no? Please rank your proficiency using Microsoft Word on a scale of 1 to 10, and the same thing for Excel in the next question. And here they want you to put your, please copy and paste your resume or tell them more. And then you would click apply. And once you apply, then they will contact you by way of email to let you know they received your application and what the next step is to take. But usually they get many applications during the week, so you have to be patient and wait for them to contact you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so you'll get notified of more job opportunities, and have a great rest of your day.